Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super cute and fun festive pineapple look. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to start by prepping my nails and then applying a white polish, which is what we're going to need for our art base. And then I'm going to go in and dot on some yellow paint. For this, I'm using a China Glaze yellow nail polish, and I'm just putting some semicircles on my nails. After I have that part done, I'm going to move on to the green fronds of the pineapple and just put those sporadically at the top. Really, you're only going to have one big cluster of those per nail, and you might have a little bit coming off the edge just to give it a full complete look. For this, I used like a grass green acrylic paint. You can use regular nail polish, of course, if you like. Next up, once it is all dry, I'm going to go in with a black polish and kind of just doodle some little V's and upside down V's and kind of just create a pineapple texture. I saw this in a stamped design on Pinterest where it was basically a stamped pineapple, but it looked very carefree and kind of just very loose and not perfect, yet it looked perfect. So I wanted to be able to create this free-handedly as I am doing currently. And after I have that part done, I'm going to go in and kind of just roughly sketch in the leaves part of the pineapple. And that is that. You're going to apply your favorite top coat once your design is completely dry. I did shiny for this look and it worked really well, but matte would look super fun as well. So really you can do whichever one you like the best, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it for more videos like this and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of the latest. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!